In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading book. So without wasting our time, let's start. Topic is asking the time to exercises 5 to 8. So let us see what are the exercises. Exercise 5. If you have not watched the previous exercises 1, 2, 3, 4, then you can watch that video first. Then you watch this video, then it will be more easy to understand. So exercise 5. Do you have the time? In this sentence, we can add different words and vocabs such as right, have any idea of, know, the right time, correct, right now, exact. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. Number one word is right. In sentence, do you have the right time? Next word, have any idea of. In sentence, do you have any idea of the right time? Next word, know the right time. In sentence, do you know the right time? Next word is correct. In sentence, do you know the correct time? Next word is right now. Do you know the correct time right now? Next word is exact. Do you know the exact time right now? Exercise 6. Sentence is I was just going to ask you the same question. In this sentence, we can notice here question. Instead of question, we can add different words and vocabs such as the time, tell, preparing, it's 12 o'clock, a quarter to. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. Number one word is the time. In sentence, I was just going to ask you the time. Next word is tell. In sentence, I was just going to tell you the time. Next word is preparing. In sentence, I was just preparing to tell you the time. Next word is it's 12 o'clock. In sentence, I was just preparing to tell you it's 12 o'clock. Next word is a quarter to 1. In sentence, I was just preparing to tell you it's quarter to 1. Exercise 7. It was 9 o'clock when I got here. In this sentence, you can notice here 9 o'clock. Instead of 9 o'clock, we can use different words and vocabs such as about, 3:20, arrived, at the office, sharp. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. About. In sentence, it was about 9 o'clock when I got here. Next word is 3:20. In sentence, it was about 3:20 when I got here. Next word is arrived. In sentence, it was about 3:20 when I arrived here. Next word is at the office. In sentence, it was about 3:20 when I arrived at the office. Next word is sharp. In sentence, it was 3:20 sharp when I arrived at the office. Exercise 8. At what time is the meeting? Here you can notice that meeting. Instead of meeting, we can use different words and vocabs such as the lecturer, the conference, the party, the concert, the football game, the program. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. Number one word is the lecture. In sentence, we will use this one like this. At what time is the lecture? Next word is the conference. In sentence, at what time is the conference? Next word, the party. In sentence, at what time is the party? Next word is the concert. In sentence, at what time is the concert? Next word is the football game. In sentence, at what time is the football game? Next word is the program. In sentence, at what time is the program? If you want to learn basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. In description, the link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information.